This is how to do Bybit KYC verification. I'm going to walk you through the requirement for Bybit basic KYC level. You will learn about KYC level 1, KYC level 2, and also you are going to learn about Bybit corporate verification. In case you are new to Bybit, all you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. You will get to this page. When you scroll down, you'll be able to see your Bybit deposit reward bonuses. They are in different stages. All you need to do to sign up is to use your email or your phone number. You can also use your Gmail. All you need to do is to tap Gmail. Ensure you do this before you download the app so that you'll be able to get your reward bonuses. The next thing you need to do is to go to your Play Store, search for Bybit app and download your Bybit app. If you are using iPhone or any Apple product, you go to your iOS store to download your Bybit mobile app. You open your app. You also need to go to your email to check the link that is sent to you. You click it to verify your email address. After you must have done that, you find yourself here. You tap verify. This is where you are going to do your Bybit KYC verification. You can see verify your identity to unlock full features. So all you need to do is to tap verify now. You can see proof of identity. For you to see Nigeria here, it implies that I'm based in Nigeria. If you are in another Bybit supported country, you are going to see the name of your country here, and you are going to see the requirement that is available for Bybit verification listed under your country. For my Nigeria audience, you can see BVN and you can see NIN. This is the top recommended option for you. It's going to be smooth and very fast. All you need to do is to tap it. You make sure you tick this place. This place will help you to acknowledge and accept the terms of service of Bybit exchange. You tap verify. You can see provide your data. All you need to do is to input your BVN code here and you tap continue. Before you know it, the verification will be over. Using BVN alone will not give you full access to Bybit exchange, but you are sure of basic KYC level. This only requires minimum data, just your name, your date of birth, and your address, not the verification of the address itself. The same thing applies to your NIN. When you choose NIN, you may be required to do live capture of your picture using your phone that you can do with this mobile app. You also have other features. If you tap here, you can use any government ID card. You can use your driver license. You can use your international passport, and you can use resident permit to get access and do your Bybit verification. You see, using all this or combination of one or two or three of them will grant you Bybit basic KYC level, but it will not grant you Bybit KYC level 1 or Bybit KYC level 2. And ensure you watch this video to the end. You are even going to learn how to do Bybit corporate verification step by step. But for you to get your level 1 and level 2 verification, you have to do more, and that is what I'll be showing you. This is the inside of Bybit exchange. As soon as you get your verification for the basic Bybit KYC verification, you are going to get to this page, and you can do minimal transactions using Bybit tools on the exchange. For you to do verification so that you can have Bybit KYC level 1 access, you will come to this place. This is your profile. You tap it. Your target is to come to this place. To do your verification, this is where you are going to tap. Your home may not show verified, but you see verification here. You tap it. So as soon as you get here and you want to do any upgrade at all, either to Bybit KYC level 1 or Bybit KYC level 2, all you need to do is to tap upgrade. So as soon as you tap upgrade, you are going to see proof of address. Look at this, is very important. Your document must show your full address and the same name as your ID card. That is, the name of any of these documents that you are going to choose must reflect the same name you use on your ID card, because you will need to upload your ID card and any one of these documents. It can be your bank statement, it can be your utility bill, and you can see here these are the documents that will not be accepted. So as soon as you are ready, all you need to do is to tap next, and you can see this is where you are going to start your verification. You fill your profile detail and your proof of address. This is where you do the upload, which you can do using your phone and this very app I'm using in this demonstration. It will not take you more than 2 minutes. You can see here it's very fast. All you need to do is to tap continue, and before you know it, it will be all over. If you do that successfully, you'll be able to have access to Bybit KYC level 1 and 2. It depends on the documents that you present and the level that the document that you present deserved for the platform. And for you to get Bybit corporate verification approval, all you need to do is to open a Bybit corporate account and you supply your CAC documents, that is your business registration certificate and details, which involve all the necessary information about your business, and you'll be able to work with Bybit representative that may contact you directly to even request for additional documents for you to get verified for corporate Bybit verification. But how long does it take for you to get approval for all this verification? On average, it will take you more than 24 hours, and even less than that, you get approval for both basic Bybit KYC level 1, Bybit KYC level 2 verification approval in less than 24 hours. But for Bybit corporate verification is much more longer. It takes you an average of like 7 days to get approval if you are planning to open a corporate account with Bybit. And in case your verification is rejected, ensure you do the rescan and re-upload of the necessary document again, as long as the name on the ID is the same name on the utility bill. Your Bybit approval will not be rejected. You can now do your Bybit KYC verification, both basic, level 1, level 2, and even the corporate verification. Don't forget to use the link below the description of this video to claim your Bybit deposit reward bonus. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment. I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.